we're back with another video. Today we got Crazy to Shay, and we are going to be doing a BB gun shootout.
And if you did subscribe to Crazy to Shay, it's gonna be probably day 2 because it won't let me upload anything.
But here's the cans that we got shoot, But the loser has to. We haven't figured that out yet, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
When the person loses. But anyways, okay, Chelsea's going first.
I don't want to do it.
Ignore them, by the way. They're up there talking. But here comes Chelsea's first shot. Oh, she knocks one down. So Chelsea is 1-1 right now. Chelsea misses that one. She's 1-2. I don't think nothing came out there. Shake your gun.
Nothing's coming out.
Yeah, that second one came out, but not that third one. And Chelsea's second. Chelsea, this is her third one because nothing came out that round. And
that one came out.
Okay, so that's Chelsea's third. She's 1-3. Nothing came out that time.
My BBs.
How are you out?
I don't know.
I think it's because Jan accidentally shot one. All right, reload. Hurry up and put one BB in. Putting a BB in because I think Sean accidentally shot one. She's putting one more in. This is Chelsea's last shot. She knocked one down. Yeah, and you only get 5 shots.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is your last shot. Swayze. What the? Did you forget to? She forgot to reload it. She shot. Something came out. Alright, we're going to give her 1 mark. I don't think nothing came out that time. What are you doing?
Let me see what's your gun.
No. So what are you doing? Oh, something did come out those 2 times. That's why you're out right now.
But
Okay, Chelsea, you only knocked down 1. Let's go set it back up now.
how real.
Master of the BB guns is.
Master at losing.
You right.
Oh, we hit the same can probably. That's not his fault. You can shoot it.
Supposed to record me.
1-1. 0 out of 1.
Okay, I'm gonna still shoot that can.
Zero out of 2.
Where nothing's coming out.
I heard it hit. I think I'm gonna win. 0 out of 3.
I swear nothing's coming out.
Okay, I'm gonna give him another try because I don't think nothing came out that time either.
Nothing is coming.
This is Dad. This is Mom. This is Dad. Dad's the gun.
You think this is Mom, this is Dad.
Well, he said it's his turn. He's going to show you
Why
how to do
isn't it coming out?
0. That one hit. I heard it hit something. 0 to 3.
Trying to hit the one on the tree or the one on the.
Oh.
You better watch that house down there.
4 to 0. One more shot, Lena, and it's over, and I'll win.
Set that can back up.
I just shot that one up. And that one.
Why'd you fill it up?
Because I told him to make sure he knows how many goes in it.
No, we're doing a con.
So that when they don't come out.
Oh, that one. Okay. 4-0 to Landon. We're gonna give him one more shot.
Don't get too high those windows. Seriously, somebody already has.
4-0. 5-0. Not just beat Landon, y'all. How about if he beats us both?
Well, I need more BBs.
If he beats us both with 3 shots, we both have to do something.
Come on,
Yeah.
fill me up.
You got 4 shots.
Should have brought mine.
Do you need me to go stand there again? One, 0 to 1.
Don't think it's
0 to 2.
on that side of you.
0 to 3.
That's dead on it too. No, it is.
Oh, you need one more. One more.
You gotta aim up.
One more. One more.
I'm mad at it. It's going to the back.
Until the babies run out.
Yeah, but till all the babies runs out.
We're
I
done.
mean, it's the same can that you hit.
So, he still hit it.
It's over.
3. And we only hit 1. 4 and only hit 1.
I had 0.
5. Oh, crap.
Are you out?